This Friday is one critical point for Nasdaq. It could provide us a big opportunity or it is a big risk for us. Welcome to ymchannel. If you like this kind of trading strategy, if you want to make more money, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Your support means a lot to me. And join my free webinar. I will have a free webinar basically next week. So join me and I will show you more strategy. So basically, I use simple method for long-term investor and for swing trader. Okay, so it's very easy. So today I'm going to talk about Nasdaq, this index. So I want to show you something. This Friday is one of our critical points. In my previous video, I also mentioned, by the way, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here to share the education purpose, okay? So before you do any trade, advise with your financial advisor. So before I have mentioned each stock or each index, basically they have one kind of cycle. Everyone is different, okay? So somehow this Friday is the cycle for Nasdaq index deadline. So this one would be one of our critical points. I want to give you some something to be aware, okay? So you can see here the purple zone, basically the purple zone, this one is actually the area of gap down. So basically in 222, April 6th, you can see this candle, they jump down, okay? This candle, the highest point is 14032.84, okay? So this is the number I mark here. So you can see basically this one will form one resistance price. If Friday doesn't go above this purple zone, doesn't go above this, you have a very big chance to come down, to pull back, or it could be one of our opportunity or one of our risk. So you can be a bit more be careful about this Friday. So it's right now today is not your best buying point. So you better to if you are short-term investor, if you want to do short-term trade today, tomorrow, or just wait until Friday, okay? So it's just a bit more cautious about this resistance point. And now we are forming a double top. Can you see this one and this one? So we are forming a double top. So this one could be one of our points to have a pullback or come down or correction, okay? So this one you need to be a bit careful. How to decide this is a opportunity or okay, basically we have like Friday. What happened on Friday? Like I told you, like one of the time interval. Every time when we meet that point, that time, usually this is one of our high point or one of our low point. Okay, 80% they will change direction. 80%. But how about the other 20%? What happened is they will form an acceleration. So basically they will speed up to continue in the same direction. If they are already going up, they will continue to go up. If not, they will for example, this one, right? So they can continue go up. 20% is 20%, like they go up, continue go up, they go above this, boom, then go up. So basically, if the free situation one, 80%, they come down because they hit the resistance and double top, they come down. And maybe the RSI hit also the 70 and come down, right? And the second scenario, which is the second scenario, they go all the way up, they go above it. They have a strong momentum to go above this and go further up, okay? And the third scenario is on maybe Wednesday or Thursday, they come down a little bit, and then boom, they go up again. They go above this resistance point, okay? So basically three scenarios. So now you understand what is the strategy, right? So 80% is they go down, they cannot break through this resistance point. And then the other 20%, scenario 2 is they go all the way up, they go above this resistance point, or today or tomorrow, they come down a little bit and then they jump up again, okay? So this is three scenario. But I want to tell you, this is, even they come down, is it a big risk for us? I want to show you one more chart. We are still in the long-term upward trend. You can see here, this is our typical my strategy is our red zone. When the red zone happen, this means we are still in the strong trend. So what happened is even they come down, maybe they go back to the red zone and then use our strategy to buy back to wait to another go up. Okay, and I want to show you one more chart. This is our monthly chart for Nasdaq. So you can see the blue one, the blue arrow. Basically, this is August 2014, the red candle. And then the September, September 2014 is a red candle. September 2015, red candle. September 2016 this is green candle, but you can see the next one is also a red candle. And this one, 2017, September, green candle. This is red candle. And this is although this is green candle, but actually they go down, okay? And then this one is another red candle the next year. And 2021 is another red candle. 2022, red candle. 223, we are already up so many months. So it is most likely, I'm not saying 100%, but I say most likely there is a risk in September. It will come a red candle, okay? So you may like consider in August, middle of August, if you want to reduce your holding. Okay, so we still now in the red zone. We are still strong. So basically, I tell you, different of strategy depends on your long-term swing trader or you want to do short-term, right? So right now we are looking at this as a resistance. We have to check this free day, what's going on this free day, what's going on Friday. Okay, but what you can see is here. You can see this candle last Friday basically. Okay, July 3rd. So, 30th of June. So basically it jumped up. Okay, so basically it formed up gap here. So how to decide this is a strong gap or not, I will teach you in my course. But I want to say if this gap 3 day did not come back down here, the whole body of candle doesn't come back down here, it means we are still in a strong trend. And so far we are still looking good. So it's just coincidence. Like here we just need to wait. Today we need to wait 3 days. So it's quite critical. So many things happening this 3 day. So I will keep you update what's going on. So for if you're a short-term holder, if you're a short-term investor, just need to wait 3 days. Okay. So if you're a long-term holder, you are still fine. Okay. So this is my sharing today. Okay, like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my free webinar. I see you there. Bye-bye.